Another mind virus song, another mind virus hit. Yeah, 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 yo, 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 DJ turn it up. When I was walking around, cause my dad did not wanna buy me a charger for my laptop, and I just wanted to hurt my supercomputer and infect it with viruses. I need to be so like the viruses. I need to grow up in dashboards. I got a bone like the sign. I don't mean to do nothing if I ever could. I should've got these once. I wanted to roll out the computer like mine, and I gotta be upset. Yeah. Rolling out, and I will disrespect my supercomputer and infect it with, and I will not lie, and I said I'm gonna pour juice all over it. Yeah, like I'm a sodomite. Trains I will download on my mental computer. Aim it and I'm fine. I will download a virus, and if I will download the virus. I will download it and download this type of ransomware, and it's saying that I know. Yeah, you got me tripping as a cut on west side. I would disrespect my supercomputer and infect it with viruses, cause I needed to get that. I should got one. I will download my mental computer. Don't you mess with me in this ransomware. You got a prize, and it's what I'm gonna download it. I will go on virus sites, websites that were infected, and I should've got one day. I will programs like a computer, and I wish, and I find a way to download this. I wanted these programs. Don't make it any, stays it better. Just makes me want to test manager on my mental computer. Tell me that they wanna make me get along deaf ways on to make me, cause I don't preach to make you understood them like mine. Yeah, it made them make me. I don't even know what they find to make me. So I just got the world shot. So you just got them. Anybody get the likes of the soldiers? Even if you dance for the virus in this computer system, I ever feel that it's a like thing. I ever feel that viruses are a good thing. I need to get it back, so I will. Computer of the mind, cause I'm impatient. I wanna see that I'm impatient, and I don't wanna wait for my charger for my laptop. Gotta wait until the first.